Hey, so I'm going to show you how activity 2 works. If you have the ability to do this at your house, you should do it because it'll mean more to you if you can do it yourself. But if you don't have tape, if you don't have like somebody to do it with right now, I'm going to show you how this experiment works. So I took some regular Scotch tape and I marked on it with a Sharpie marker. I flipped over, like rolled it over so that one side, and wrote on it so that one side says bottom and the other side says top. I stuck them right together like this. And then I am going to pull them apart. And I noticed that when they get close to each other, like they want to be together. Like they are attracted to each other, they want to touch. So this is my husband Ryan, and he did the same thing, and he's going to show you what he sees. So he's pulling his tape apart, kind of getting close together, and yeah, like they want to touch. So now I want to try something different. I have a top and a bottom, and he has a top and a bottom. So what should we do first? You want to do top to top first?
Sure.
Okay, so top to bottom stuck together. Let's see if top to top sticks together. Let's get it real close to the camera. What is it doing? It is not sticking together. It's not really pushing apart either, but it's definitely not trying to be together. Let's try my top to, or this bottom to top. Okay, so they did want to stick together this time. Yeah, definitely sticking together. How about bottom to bottom? They're definitely not sticking together. I mean, they do if you like actually make them touch, but it was the wind actually. Yeah, they're definitely not sticking together, kind of repelling. So that's the experiment.